Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen soup vegetarian, updated. Start by building a rich vegetable broth using kombu, dried shiitake, and roasted aromatics. Simmer slowly to extract maximum umami and strain for a clear, flavorful base. Taste and adjust with soy sauce, mirin, or a touch of miso for complexity. This method keeps the soup light, layered, and satisfying for both new cooks and ramen fans. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and cook noodles just until tender, following package timing for firmness. Drain and briefly rinse to remove excess starch, then set aside while finishing the broth and toppings. Reheat noodles if needed in hot water for 30 seconds, then transfer to serving bowls. Adding noodles last keeps them pleasantly springy and prevents the soup from becoming gummy or overly cloudy. Quick recommendation: on another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker and enjoy music while you cook or use hands-free timers for perfect soft-boiled eggs. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more vegetarian ramen recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals I like to use in the kitchen, and now let's get back to the video. Layer flavors by stirring a spoonful of miso or tahini into a ladle of hot broth before mixing into the pot. Prepare toppings like marinated tofu, braised shiitake, and quick pickled vegetables while the broth simmers. Soft-boiled eggs are optional for vegetarians who eat eggs, or use seasoned tofu for protein. Assemble bowls by placing noodles, pouring hot broth, and arranging toppings for a balanced, restaurant-style presentation at home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.